In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ChatGPT with Notion to streamline your workflow and automate your page creation. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to the ChatGPT home screen. I'll navigate to the bottom left corner and click on my profile icon to open the main menu. From the list of options, I'll select Settings. Once the Settings window pops up, I'll look at the sidebar on the left and click on the Apps tab. Here, I can manage my connected applications. I'll click the Explore Apps button to open the full directory of available integrations. In the search bar at the top right of the Apps page, I'll type in Notion. The Notion app should appear immediately in the results. I'll click on it to open the integration details. Now, I'll click the black Connect button on the right side of the screen. A new window titled Add Notion to ChatGPT will appear. I'll make sure to toggle the switch at the bottom to allow reference of memories and chats for more helpful responses. Then I'll click Sign In with Notion. This will redirect me to the Notion login page. I'll choose to continue as sample by clicking the blue button to verify my Google account. After a brief loading moment, the Connect with Notion MCP screen appears. I'll ensure the correct workspace, sample space, is selected in the drop-down menu. I'll review the permissions and then click the blue Continue button. Now I just need to wait a moment while the connection is established. Once it's finished, I'll see a green notification at the top stating that Notion is now connected. To test it out, I'll click the Start Chat button. Back in the chat interface, I'll click the plus icon in the message bar, go to More, and select Notion to ensure the tool is active. Now, I'm going to give it a specific command. I'll type, create a new page in Notion called Test Page, and add the text. This page was created using ChatGPT and Notion integration. I'll hit Enter and wait for ChatGPT to process the request. An authorization prompt will appear asking me to allow the action. I'll click the Allow button. ChatGPT will then confirm that the Notion page has been created successfully and provide a direct link. I'll right-click the link and select Open Link to check my Notion workspace. As you can see, the test page has been created perfectly with the exact text I requested. And that's it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT to Notion and verified the integration with your first automated page. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.